There was a time when making a video required an expensive fancy camera, a tripod, some lighting, microphones, directors, scriptwriters, researchers, storyboards, props, costumes, not to mention a degree in video production. Well, times are a-changing. And if you're not making video content on your mobile device, then what the hell are you using it for? Making phone calls? Hold on to your clapperboards because Wednesdays are about to get giant. Hello, I'm Danny and welcome to Giant Wednesday, the only place to discover the insightful world of digital marketing. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and leave your comments below. Okay, being honest, this video is not filmed on a mobile phone, but it could easily be. The advancements in not only mobile phone camera capability, but also the increased speed of data connectivity now means we make and consume video content like never before. Sometimes a full video setup like the one I've got here isn't needed for some quick social media video content. So I'm here today to talk you through my top 3 apps for making awesome video content on the go. First things first is the phone. The quality of what you can capture on this device is only as good as the device itself. So for the best results, find yourself someone with the latest, fanciest phone. You got one? Let's start. App number 1 is called Clips. Now, Clips is a free iOS app for making and sharing fun video with text, effects, graphics, and all kinds of things. Getting started is simple and quick. You can just hold the record button to capture video on the spot or grab a video clip from your photo library. Pinch and drag whilst recording to smoothly zoom and pan across your image for the extra touch of drama or comedy. Clips has a ton of free awesome features, such as live subtitles that allow you to record your captions as you say them, saving you hours of typing during your edit. With animated backgrounds, cards and graphics that allow you to get creative with your videos. My number 1 tip for Clips is to use it to put together some kind of weekly or monthly highlight video. You can add new content into your timeline in the app over the course of a week and let it add up in one place. By the end of the week, chuck on an intro card and some fun music, and there you have it. A highlight video created with minimal effort, but is awesome. Lazy productivity. Nice. App number 2 is MoShow. Now, I've spoken about MoShow before, but without fanboying too much, MoShow is one of those apps that once you discover it, you are going to share it. It's available for free, although you might get ads. Or as a paid app, MoShow is available whatever your device. The beauty of this app is that you don't even need to use video content. Of course you can, but the app will allow you to add static as well as live photos alongside video. In a nutshell, MoShow is animation software that uses a range of fancy illustrated transitions to move between your images or videos. Styles include things like geometric shapes, glitchy transitions, and basic swipes. There are so many that you will find one that you like, and more importantly, one that fits with your brand. You can amend the duration of each slide, add a layer of text, and generally get pretty creative. Once you finish your video, MoShow lets you export in various file formats, from a square for your Instagram wall to a ratio of 9:16 for your Instagram stories. So many possibilities. My number 1 tip for MoShow is to create branded visual files that can be used at the start and the end of your video to add more branding opportunities than the app currently allows. A little bit like this. And last, but by no means least, app number 3 is called OneSD, or to give it its full title, 1 second every day. As the name suggests, this is a daily thing. This spellbinding app stitches second-long snippets from your life into a compelling personal movie, with built-in reminders, a simple editing tool, and a really easy-to-use design. This app is everything you need to put together your own thought-provoking video narrative. Within the app, you can save certain elements of your sequence as GIFs or GIFs, which is great for making micro-content. As well as awesome features like receiving daily reminders at a time that is convenient for you. My number 1 tip for this app is, don't forget to do it. This only works if you capture a second or 2 from every single day, so a few days missed here and there can make a massive difference. So that's it, apprehension gone. Download a few and apply yourself. We'll even give you tools that aren't just Apple-based. Any other app-based jokes? Go forth and comment your views on this. Give us a like and subscribe to see more great digital marketing content every single week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week for another Giant Wednesday. Okay, that's it. I'm done.